Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, GenXJ. For today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and review of the newest product from Magtame. So these three boxes hold the newest product from Magtame. These are magnetic phone grip and stand. These are all the same. They have only different colors. So, one by one, we will check them out. Before we proceed, I would like to give thanks to Magtame for sending us these products to be reviewed. And without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and review. I've got all three colorways here, and we're going to check them out one by one. Let's get started. First up, the black model. Right here on the lower left of the box, you can see it says MagSafe-compatible. And it even comes with magnetic adapters. If we turn it around, the back shows you all the key functions of the stand. But of course, we're going to see them in action in just a bit. Alright, time to open it up. Inside, the first thing you'll see is the magnetic stand itself, along with an envelope-shaped manual. And inside that envelope, you'll find the rest of the accessories. Here's what you get. One magnetic stand, one set of dry and wet wipes, two metal ring adapters, two transparent films. Now, let's take a closer look at the stand. The build quality here is impressive. The hinges are rock solid. You can stop it at any angle you want, and it stays there. The metal has that same premium feel when you get an Apple product, like the Mac Mini or MacBook. Honestly, this is a very well built product. The transparent films are meant for installation on your case or your phone. The metal ring adapters are for the phones without built-in MagSafe capability. And of course, the wipes are for prepping the surface before installation. Now let's move on to the blue colorway. The only difference from the black is, well, the color. But I have to say, this shade of blue is beautiful. It's subtle, kind of like the blue you'd seen on an iPhone. Everything else is exactly the same. But if you're into a pop of color, this one's really nice. And finally, the silver colorway. This one's really close to the silver of a Mac Mini, which I think will pair nicely with other Apple gear. Let's do a quick magnetic strength test. I'm going to attach the silver and the black stands together. The magnetic force between these two are strong. You actually have to put in some effort to pull them out. So here they are, all the three colorways, black, blue, and silver. Now for the real test, let's try it on an iPhone. This one has a Spigen case that's MagSafe compatible, so I don't even need to use the included adapters. And just look at that. The magnetic connection between the stand, the case, and the phone is solid. Even if I shake it, it doesn't budge at all. Honestly, this stand/grip is a fantastic addition to your mobile phone accessories. And that is it for the unboxing and review part. Now proceed to the pros and to the cons. Number one pro, build quality. Build quality is very high. The metal used is like the metal used on the Mac Mini or the MacBook Pro or MacBook. It's very high quality. I really like it, and it's very simple, minimalist design. And the colors used, so it's like an iPhone. That is number one pro. Let's proceed to the next pro. Magnets used are very strong. It holds very well, especially when your case is MagSafe compatible, so you don't need anymore to attach the rings to the adapter rings. Just follow the instructions on the manual. For those mobile phones which are not Apple and you want to have a MagSafe functionality, you can just use the two adapter rings. So one pack, you can do two cases, or if you have two phones, you can make it MagSafe compatible. Pro number 3, for accessories included, you can have two sets. That is very cool. That is it for the pros. Cons, I think there's no cons. It is just a MagSafe accessory, by the way. It does not, when you attach the ring to your case, it does not make your phone a wireless capable. Example, if you have an Android phone and it does not have wireless charging, attach the magnetic ring, it does not make your phone have a new capability of wireless charging. Okay, just only adds a MagSafe functionality to attach to your phone with magnetic accessories for MagSafe. So that is it. So basically, it's a stand and it gives you MagSafe magnetic functionalities. That is it. Nothing more, nothing less. If you want to buy this product, go onto the description box and click the link below and visit Magtame's website or the Amazon link that is provided below. And if you have other queries or questions, just comment it on the comment box, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. I think that is it. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace.